Hello, in this section we will be learning about the WooCommerce basics that are adding the products, editing the stocks, deleting the products, etc. So for that, in the left side of our dashboard, we can see products. Here, all products is for showing all our products in the backend. And there is add new. We can click that and add our products. So for adding the product, in the left sidebar, click on the products, then click on add new. So here we will be typing our product. Let it be a bag, okay, and we can choose our category in the right side area, product category. Here we can choose something, the matching. As I can see a lot of things. Let it go to wallet, for example wallet, and our main thing is to add product images. You can add product images. Let it be a wallet, okay. You can add featured image. This image will be the main image of a product. Then if we want to add more images of that, we can add to the product gallery. We can add a lot of images, so we can add that. This is the way. First we need to name our product. In the right side we can choose the category, choose our images, then in general here the product data, make it a simple product because our product may not have variants. I will talk about the variants later. So let's talk about the simple product. Simple product is something which don't have any variants, like that product doesn't have any other color or any other sizes, okay. So this is a simple product, no variation. So we can write the regular price here, let it be $100. If you are giving it for a sale, then we can type the sale price here, let it be 80. So our MRP is 100, so and we are selling it for 80, so this will be like this: regular price 100 and sale price 80. In inventory, if we have SKU, we can give the SKU. If you have doubts there, you can just point over the help and you can read that. SKU refers to a stock keeping unit, okay. Manage stock. Enable stock management at product level. We can manage the stock here. You can check the manage stock and we can just write the stock, how much quantity we have in stock, okay, and leave the allow back orders and everything. Just type the stock that we have, okay, and we can type the weight of the product here. These are not actually needed, but if you need to calculate the weight, then you can type here, okay. Then this way we can type the quantity, price, images, product, and product name and category, okay. Now this is the main part of the product description. So here you can write about your wallet. For example, this is a nice 100% union, 100% okay. Now after typing it, just we can publish that, okay. Now our product is published and now our product will be available in our website. Click on shop now. Shop now. Yes, you can see our new product is here, okay. So the next thing is how we can edit our product, okay. Go to all products in the left side bar, There you can see our latest product added. You can click on the edit link, then we will be getting our panel again. So we can change the back to our wallet. Also, if you don't like the URL, like I have changed my product name to wallet, so still the perma link will be back, so we can edit that back to wallet. Click on OK, and our perma link is also changed. Now if you want to change our image, we can click that image, choose another image, let it be a locket. Okay, set product image, that's our main image. We can remove our gallery images there, and we can click on add product. We can choose image, product image. We can add images there, and we can again change our price to 90. We can change our stock quantity. Okay, the stock quantity will be decreased automatically when someone orders, so we don't need to change the stock here after each order, so it will be an automatic process. We can click on update and a product will be updated. What's that? Okay, we can come and refresh and check the change there. Okay, our product name is changed, price is changed, image is changed. Okay, now our description is shown here. This is an nice wallet, 100% leather. You can add more description there. In the next section, that is deleting a product, that is very simple. Just click on the all products, and then on the right side you will be seeing trash. You can just click and move that product to the trash. The product will be still there in trash, but don't mind, that will be showing only on the back end. This trashed product will not be shown to your users or your customers, so don't worry, let it be kept in trash, so that whenever we want to move or use that product again, then we can just go to the trash and click on restore, then we can restore the product also.